Data is one of the most valuable assets that a business can own, but in its raw form, it's meaningless. It's why the data in the analytics industry is worth hundreds of billions of dollars today to turn that raw data into insights. And in the age of AI, this process is easier and faster than ever. But here's the thing. Insights by themselves can also be meaningless because their value only comes from impacting real-world decisions. And the problem is that bridging that gap often requires a completely different, softer set of skills. Even if you've never heard of the phrase death by PowerPoint, you've probably felt it, sitting through a presentation that struggles to capture your attention, let alone motivate you. And there's a perfectly reasonable explanation for that. Humans aren't motivated by facts, we're motivated by emotions. And how do we tap into those emotions? Through stories. I'm Enrique Ruiz, instructor and learning experience designer at Maven Analytics, and in this course, my goal is to teach you how to apply storytelling principles to business presentations so that you're able to influence stakeholders and turn insights into actions. We'll provide a clear, repeatable framework that you can follow to define the purpose of your presentation, understand the audience, build the story, prepare the materials, and finally deliver the presentation. And you'll be able to practice applying those skills through a custom case study style project. If you're ready to supercharge your career and start driving real, meaningful change, then make sure that you check out the first link in the description because I've got the course for you. We've got a lot to cover, so let's dive in.